In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to name your Shopify store. We'll walk through the quick process of changing your store name inside the Shopify admin, and I'll share simple tips so your new name looks polished across your storefront and emails. First, from your Shopify dashboard, head to the bottom left corner and open Settings. This is where Shopify keeps your core store details and preferences. Opening Settings ensures you're working in the right place without affecting products, orders, or customers. Inside Settings, look for your store details. You'll see your current store name displayed there. Click the current store name to activate the field so you can make changes. This is the official label of your business in Shopify, and it's the name customers may see in certain notifications and the backend. Now edit the store name. Type the exact name you want to use, with the capitalization and spacing you prefer. Keep it clear, short, and easy to spell. Avoid special characters or emojis that might not render well in emails or on different devices. If your brand uses keywords, include them naturally, but don't overdo it. Readability matters more than stuffing terms. It's also a good idea to think about consistency with your logo and social profiles so your brand feels seamless everywhere. Remember, changing the store name here does not change your web address or your myshopify.com URL. It only updates the name displayed in Shopify and, depending on your theme, in parts of your storefront. You can change this name again later, so don't feel locked in while you're testing a concept. Aim for a tone that matches your niche. Playful for lifestyle brands, polished for professional services, and read it out loud to catch awkward phrasing or typos. If you operate under a separate legal business name, that's fine. The store name is the customer-facing label and can be different. When you're happy with the name, click Save. Wait for the confirmation that your changes are stored. If the Save button is grayed out, it usually means there were no changes detected. If you see an error, double-check that the name field isn't empty and doesn't exceed character limits. After saving, you should see the updated name reflected in your admin. Give your storefront a quick refresh to make sure the header or title picks it up if your theme uses the store name automatically. Some themes cache content briefly, so a refresh can help. That's it. Open Settings, click the current name, edit it, and save. With a thoughtful, readable store name, you'll set a strong first impression for visitors and create a consistent brand presence across your Shopify experience.